The sun disappears behind the mountains and suddenly the world transforms. There are no streetlights, no houses, no phones, only darkness, and the sounds of creatures you can't see. Every crack of a branch could mean a hungry wolf. Every distant roar could belong to a cave lion. For ancient humans, nighttime wasn't a time to relax. It was a battle to survive until sunrise. But here's the mystery. Did our ancestors simply sleep through the night? Or were they secretly doing something that helped humanity survive and eventually conquer the planet? Archaeologists believe the answer is far more fascinating than most people imagine. Tonight we're stepping into a Stone Age camp to discover what really happened after sunset. You may never think about nighttime the same way again. Night didn't mean bedtime. Instead, everyone gathered around the fire. Some repaired broken spears, others prepared food for tomorrow's hunt. Children listened closely as the elders told stories about giant mammoths, dangerous rivers, and mysterious spirits hidden in the forest. Scientists believe these stories weren't just entertainment. They helped pass survival knowledge from one generation to the next. Who to trust? Which plants were poisonous? Where predators usually hunted? Even today, humans naturally enjoy telling stories around a fire. Maybe that tradition began tens of thousands of years ago. The campfire wasn't simply a source of warmth. It became humanity's very first classroom. While most of the tribe rested, not everyone slept. Someone always stayed awake. Night watch was one of the most important jobs in the entire camp. The guard kept the fire alive. He listened for strange sounds. He watched the forest for glowing eyes. If danger appeared, everyone had precious seconds to react. Modern researchers believe humans naturally developed flexible sleeping patterns. Instead of everyone sleeping at once, different people rested at different times. This meant someone was almost always awake. Without realizing it, ancient humans created one of history's smartest survival systems. Outside the circle of fire, another world came alive. Owls hunted silently through the trees. Wolves searched for easy prey. Hyenas sniffed the wind. The forest was never truly quiet. Ancient humans understood something important. The fire created an invisible boundary. Many predators avoided bright flames and noisy groups. The camp became a small island of safety surrounded by endless danger. Every sunrise wasn't just another morning, it was another victory. Another day humanity had survived. So what did ancient humans really do at night? They didn't waste the darkness. They learned. They planned. They repaired tools. They shared stories. They protected one another. And most importantly, they turned fear into teamwork. Every night around the campfire made the tribe a little smarter, a little stronger, and a little more prepared for tomorrow. Perhaps civilization didn't begin in a city. Perhaps it began around a small fire, beneath a sky full of stars, where one person told a story while another quietly stood watch. That simple routine may have changed human history forever.